Here it's Claire from Enjo here. I'm just cleaning my sink here with Enjo bathroom fibres just to show you how they work, and just clean very easily all the soap scum that's left behind and pick it all up. You can see it's quite dirty and on the taps. So just lightly round in circles with the bathroom glove to pick it all up. And I'm just going to take my Enjo floor to dry behind. A dry surface is less likely to attract dirt and bacteria. Folding it over each time just so that you've got extra drying power there, and it leaves it nice and shiny as well. A bit of a polishing effect. And this is before. There we go. And after, nice and shiny.